Credit Builder Plus Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this Credit Builder Plus review, where I'll explain how this program works, its standout features, and who it's designed for. You can find links to the product in the description if you want to explore further. Credit Builder Plus is an innovative financial product offered by MoneyLion, aimed at helping individuals improve their credit score while simultaneously building savings. This dual-purpose program is ideal for those with limited or damaged credit who want a structured path to financial improvement. Here's how it works. Credit Builder Plus combines a small credit builder loan with tools to track your progress. Once you join the program, you're eligible for a loan of up to $1,000. A portion of the loan is immediately accessible, while the rest is held in a secured account. As you make monthly payments, the activity is reported to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, helping to establish a consistent record of on-time payments. What makes Credit Builder Plus stand out is its accessibility. Unlike traditional loans, it doesn't require a high credit score or extensive financial history to qualify. Additionally, the program includes exclusive perks like access to the MoneyLion app, which provides financial tracking tools, credit score monitoring, and even budgeting tips to help you manage your finances effectively. This program is perfect for individuals looking to build or rebuild credit, particularly those who are new to credit or recovering from financial difficulties. The monthly membership fee is affordable, making it accessible for a wide range of users. Plus, the savings component means you're not just improving your credit, you're also creating a financial cushion. It's important to note that consistent participation and on-time payments are key to achieving the desired credit score improvements. Credit Builder Plus is most effective when used alongside other positive financial habits, such as minimizing debt and managing expenses wisely. If you're ready to take control of your credit journey while building a financial safety net, Credit Builder Plus is worth considering. Check out the links in the description to learn more and get started. Your credit goals are within reach with this powerful tool.